Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPad mini 5. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating requires for iPad screen removal from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert few plastic pickers or car pry tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the Araflex cables attached to the logic board. Next, lift the LCD screen to 45 degrees from the top and then remove the shield by undoing 2 screws. And then disconnect the LCD, touch, home button and the battery plug. Now the LCD unit can leave from the body. Next, to remove the battery, first loosen the adhesive by applying a little heat. This time the heat from the rear side. Again we are using the heat mat for this process. Next, using a plastic car pry tool or something similar, cut the adhesive under the battery. Be gentle in this process and take out the broken battery. Next, place the new battery by adding adhesive and secure the connector into the board. Next, place the LCD and touch assembly unit in the body by securing 2 connector plugs. Ensure the home button and battery connections are secured, and then add the shield by inserting 2 screws. Next, before clamping, verify the screen functionality and then secure the screen to the body by adding adhesive. You can use either B7000 glue or new double-sided adhesive. Finally, we are using screen binding clips to tie the LCD screen to the body. If not, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.